Guys, it's your boy Legardi here, back at it like a crack addict. And over here, we got Ari Greener, fucking pissed off saying that he won against Jace. Even though you guys should be the judges of this ultimate match. Anyways, before I get started, have any of you fellers been to my house recently and rang my doorbell at 4 in the morning? That's when it happened. Because it's been happening for a couple of days already. Somebody's been pulling up to my house, been pulling up to the trap house, and fuck, and they keep ringing the doorbell. Right now I'm looking for my tiger that I have stored around here. I don't know where she's at. Wally! Ah, fuck. In here? I don't think so. Alright, so you fellers be the judge of the magnificent fucking... No! Alright, you fellers be the judges of this wonderful fucking couple of matches. I did ass against Payne, but fuck it, who cares? Alright, see ya fellers later. Alright guys, it's your boy Legard and the Beaner Boys back at it again like a crack addict. We got a wild Payne right there.
Fucking tired.
Exhausted after my boxing match, which was ass.
And against Jace.
Here,
fucking kick me.
here we got Ari Greener and
JC.
Frisky Liske.
He's a 6'5" giant.
Yeah, today guys, so today what we are planning to do is to train Mr. Liske today. We're trying to make this buddy right here a better boxer.
And get ladies.
I got these.
Not you. What the fuck? So anyways, guys. Okay, I feel like my house.
Don't be a Joey. He goes like... Don't be Joey.
Alright, we're gonna get started with this training or what?
No.
Alright, go.
I ain't ready for this shit. Fucking shit up, bro. This is so funny.
Jace, remember, guard with one hand. Guard with one hand.
Oh, he's passing the beaner.
Oh, he got you. He got him good. He got him good. Ooh. Oh, shit. All right.
Eric's here, bro. His hair. Oh, bro, it's fucking hair. Eric's hair. Yeah, party. Dude, Eric's hair, like, so fucking fucked up.
I got like 33 seconds left. So like full send right now, I guess.
Oh, hell no, I'm tired.
Bro, this kid thinks it's easy. This poor kid's all tired out.
Eric's hair looks like a fucking dinosaur egg.
Yeah, Payne likes man. That's why. Just kidding.
Yeah, alright.
The fuck are you idiots doing?
Holding hands.
Ah, muy jotos.
Come
I
on,
see.
Carla Vivian.
Bro, what the hell? That's it. We're going an extra 20 seconds.
It sounds like...
Oh!
Like I heard an alligator.
Hey, no hold. Hey.
Dude, who won that one?
Alright, keep going. Ahora sí, vatos.
Eric's running.
Man, I've never seen a beaner run for a white guy like that, bro.
This match over yet.
No,
yeah.
In like 35,
40 seconds.
yeah, 40 seconds. Ready?
Oh, I said said 30 seconds earlier ago. We said we're doing 2 minutes.
Yeah, bro. Come on, there's like 20 seconds left.
I never pass out.
You're not gonna pass out. Go full send right now. There's 10 seconds left. Go! There's 10 seconds left.
Eric, rocket shit.
All right. Oh, fuck.
Charge at him. Charge at him. Run at him. Run at him. How long? 1 minute and 20 seconds?
No punch. No punch me.
Don't punch the ball the ways.
Eric, good job.
Alright. Alright. Fight.
We got Slender Man on the left. I mean on the right. Yeah, we got Mrs. Pufferfish on the fucking in the blue shirt. Fucking out of breath already. Go. Uppercut. Uppercut. Stomach shots. Stomach shots, Peyton.
We good? Fucking tired.
Hold on. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds.
A couple more good shots, please.
Not the one!
3, 2, 1. Putos. Pendejo. Otro pendejo.
Alright, Rainbow Ryan against Mr. Frisky Liske.
Rainbow!
Alright, you guys ready? You guys know the rules. You guys know the rules, right?
No punching in the balls.
No bunching on the balls, nothing behind the head, neither on the top. Just body and face. Alright? You guys got it?
You can't have head.
Oh no, yeah, I know headshots, but like, you know. Alright. Go. Okay. Come on, Rainbow, get him. Hey, Jace, hey. Nothing like that, okay? That will get you disqualified. You guys still have enough energy for second round?
One more, I suppose.
All right.
Are you drunk? I think a minute break.
I'll take a minute break. All right, we'll take a little interview here with my buddy Rainbow Ryan.
What's good, people?
So what'd you think about that fight right there?
Fucking awesome. You already know.
You gonna kick ass in the second one?
Yeah.
All right, we're moving on to Frisky Liske. All right, buddy. You think you're gonna kick ass in this one?
Yeah.
How you feeling right now?
Pretty good. He hasn't good. He got some pretty good shots, I mean, but I just gotta learn.
All right, sounds good. So now that you guys have gotten rid of the first round, you guys pretty much know everything now, right?
Yeah.
All right. So whenever you guys are ready, full send, throw hands. Ooh. Not behind the head, Jace, remember?
¿Cansado de no poderle chupar la cotorra a tu novia porque le pica la barba? Y aparte porque eres un pendejo para rasurarte y siempre te cortas. Bien, pues ahora déjate de mamadas y pide ya nuestra rasuradora Washing Soap Fashion Ocean the Shampoo. No sé ni qué vergas dije, pero está bien chingona. No se usen partes íntimas, no se usen pico porque se te cae.